Hello and welcome to another EnduraFlood video tutorial. EnduraFlood installations offer a great way to add style and sophistication to your living space. One example is the EnduraFlood chair-rail trim that adds a wonderfully traditional look to any wall. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to install the EnduraFlood RAILI-HOLD and CHAIR-RAIL. RAILI-HOLD is available for 1/2 inch and for 5/8 inch drywall. The difference is specified via the last 2 digits of the product number, 12 for 1/2 inch drywall and 58 for 5/8 inch drywall. The installation steps are the same. We always start with RAILI-HOLD and staple it to our wooden studs. RAILI-HOLD can also be mounted to metal studs using UNI-RIV. We then install the panels as always. And finish the bottom of the wall with UNI-BASE. For more information about this step, see our tutorial video, 110 Basic Installation on a Straight Wall. To install our chair rail, note how it is built to snugly fit over our RAILI-HOLD. We simply slide it in place from the top. To finish the installation, many customers decide to caulk the chair rail as shown here. EnduraFlood is designed so that you can still remove the boards later if needed. Let's demonstrate the installation on a piece of actual 2x4 wall. To install chair rail on inside corners, miter cut your RAILI-HOLD so that both corner pieces can slide all the way into the corner. We install our wall panels using verticore I for the separation between the panels. Then we miter cut our chair rail pieces and slide them snugly onto RAILI-HOLD and into the corner. As always, we finish the wall using UNI-BASE as baseboard trim. To build an outside corner, we start by using RAILI Core O and staple it to our studs. We then continue along the wall using RAILI-HOLD. Now we mount our panels. Using VertiCore O for the separation between panels. And mount UNI-BASE. Before mounting your chair rail, miter cut the edges and carve out a notch so that it comfortably fits over the edge of the VertiCore O. Slide the chair rail pieces into place and you're done. Congratulations, another great looking wall panel finished with EnduraFlood. EnduraFlood waterproof wall panel systems for basements and other flood-prone areas.